Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss the concept STL, that is Standard Template Library. There are some standard generic classes and functions that is used to process and store data like stack, queue and vector, and collection of such classes and functions is called Standard Template Library. So Standard Template Library in C++ is a powerful set of general purpose template classes and functions that implement many popular and commonly used algorithms and data structures like vectors, list, queue, stack, etc. So there are three core components of STL. First is containers. It is an object to store data which is implemented by template class and having various data types. Next is algorithms, which is a procedure to process data which is contained in the containers. And next is iterators, which are the pointer object to point elements in the container. So let us see each one by one. First is container. It is an object that actually stores data and it can be implemented by class templates to hold different data types. Containers are classified in three types like sequence containers, associative and derived. Sequence containers stores elements in linear sequence like vector, Deque and list. Associative containers used to direct access elements using key like set, multiset, map, multimap, or we can say hashing. In hashing, we access element using keys. Next is derived containers, which are derived from sequence containers, which are stack, queue and priority queue. Next is STL algorithms. As I have said, it is a procedure that is used to process data contained in containers. It includes algorithms that are used for initializing, searching, copying, sorting and merging. So we can have standard sorting algorithm that is defined in standard template library, so we can use it directly. Same way we can have merging algorithms. STL have mutating sequence algorithms like copy, remove, replace, fill and swap. So we are having generalized algorithm written in standard template library. We can directly use it in our program. Next are non-modifying sequence algorithms like find, count, search, mismatch and equal, and numerical algorithms like accumulate, partial sum, inner product and adjacent difference. Next is STL iterations. It behaves like pointers. Iterators will point to the containers and containers are the object. So object will be having data members, but that data member will not be having any label. So to refer that data members in container, we will use iterators are used to access container elements. Here we are having begin and end, and that is pointing to the elements of the container. They are used to traverse from one element to another. So this is all about standard template library, that is the collection of all generic classes and functions. Thank you.